I'm sure he'll go to a good home in England. Sir, number 4's off the rails at Tidmouth Sheds. Jump the points. Oh no. Then the fat controller turned to Darrell. How would you like to cover Gordon's Express? James can take over in the yards. You want me to pull the Express? Sir, I'd be honoured. I won't let you down, sir, I promise. Very well. Not long to go, old boy. Darrell was flying along the line. Who's he? Haha, look at me go! I've never been so fast in my entire working life. This is incredible. Perfect. What could possibly go wrong? Stupid signal. Oh well. Won't be long. Before long, Darrell had arrived at Barrow Station. Ooh, I'm all tired out now. That was amazing. What do you think, driver? No complaints from the passengers. You've given everyone a smooth service, Darrell. Well done. And I'll be even better when we take the train back. Oh, I'm afraid we won't be doing that. Wait, what? I'm really sorry about that, old boy. That's just the scheduling, I'm afraid. Besides, we can have a nice drink in the water column later, can't we? Still feels like I wasted my big chance, though. They found a water column in a desolated part of the yard. Lucky when we get done. It looks quite scary around here. I couldn't care less. For once I'd gotten the chance to do what I truly wanted to do, and now it's gone. And who knows if I'll ever get that chance again. Hello there. Oh, good afternoon. You seem a bit upset. What's troubling you? Well, no, I'd rather not say. Oh, come on. I won't judge you. Well, it's just... You see, I'm a goods engine, and I've always wanted to pull passenger trains because they're interesting. Not like goods, anyway. Today I got the chance, but I can't take the train back. I'll just go back to being a boring old goods engine again. What a life. I see. Well, shall I let you into a little secret? Well, go on then. You say that pulling passenger trains is interesting. Well, if you pulled passengers all the time, it would be uninteresting, like pulling goods all the time. I suppose you have a point. You see, young one, a good thing in life to remember is not to be upset when the good times are over, but instead to be happy they happened in the first place, and you'll look back on them better than you did before. Okay, that's full. Okay, Darrell, we're ready to go. Take of this what you will, young one. Thanks. Goodbye. Come on, old one. It's time to go. Say your goodbyes. Oh, I will be at peace once more again. Later on, as Darrell was making his way home, he thought about what the old engine had told him. Yes, he's right. I shouldn't be angry that I can't always pull passengers.
How did your first passenger train go? Was it great?
Yes, I did learn something as well.
What's that?
That you shouldn't be unhappy when the good times are over, but instead be happy that they happened.
Very, very wise words, Darrell. Did someone tell you that?
No, it just occurred to me.
Some engines should take that into account sometimes.
Darrell is now a changed engine. He still thinks about pulling passengers again, but understands that whilst all good things must come to an end, it's always good to look back on the good times.